morning, all of you. Hope everyone is safe and healthy. I would like to greet the respected chairman, sir, our motivating correspondent, ma'am, our lovable principal, encouraging teachers, and my dear friends. A warm welcome to all. This is Milinda of grade 7C, here to analyze my point of view regarding the topic, the International Day for the Eradication of Poverty. The International Day for the Eradication of Poverty is an international observance celebrated each year on October 17 throughout the world. Poverty is not solely an economic issue, but rather a multidimensional phenomenon that encompasses a lack of both income and basic capabilities to live in dignity. Persons living in poverty experience many interrelated and mutually reinforcing deprivations that prevent them from realizing their rights and perpetuate their poverty, including unsafe housing, lack of nutritious food, lack of political power, limited access to health care. This year marks the 32nd anniversary of the call to action by Father Joseph Wrensky, which inspired the observance of October 17th as the World Day for Overcoming Extreme Poverty and the recognition by the United Nations of the day as the International Day for Eradication of Poverty. The theme for the day addresses the challenge of achieving social and environmental justice for all. People living in extreme poverty, often through sheer necessity, are the first to act decisively within their communities in response to poverty, climatic change, and environmental changes. Their efforts and experience often go unnoticed and unappreciated. Their abilities have been overlooked, their voices are not heard. This attitude must be changed, and the participation, knowledge, contribution, and the experience of people living in poverty or those left behind must be valued, respected, and reflected in our efforts to build an equitable and sustainable world in which there is social and environmental justice for all. Thank you for watching and hearing me patiently. Stay blessed and safe. I would like to thank Shiz once again for giving me an opportunity to share my ideas. Thank you.